Hey everyone, today I want to walk you through 8 of the smartest AI video tools I've been testing lately, and crucially, show you why a tool like Vizard often ends up being the quickest win for creators trying to squeeze more content out of their long-form library. My team and I have been posting consistently for over a year and a half, so we constantly bounce between heavy hitters like Premiere Pro for Final Cuts and newer cloud-first editors for fast, everyday repurposing. The landscape is absolutely wild right now, ranging from cutting-edge text-to-video labs to dedicated repurposing apps that promise to do all the heavy lifting for you. I'll be honest, some tools are incredible at one specific thing but fall short on everything else, so let's break down what's actually out there and where Vizard fits in when you just want to turn long footage into a steady stream of high-performing clips. First up is Veed, which is the accessible cloud editor people reach for when they want to avoid the steep learning curve of professional desktop software. It's great for quick subtitle generation and simple resizing, but it can get pricey if you need advanced automation for thousands of minutes of content every month. Next is Runway, which is leading the pack when it comes to creative AI generation like live masking and text-to-video features that feel truly futuristic. The caveat is that Runway is an extremely powerful sandbox, but it isn't really optimized for the batch repurposing or scheduling of hundreds of short clips from long-form content. InVideo is the template juggernaut, tuned for marketers who want polished short videos without spending hours on design or complex transitions. However, the AI here feels more template-driven, so it helps you build a video, but it won't whisper which 30-second segment from your 2-hour interview is most likely to trend. Pictory is a really smart pick if your content starts as text, like blog posts or articles, because it scrapes out key points and stitches them into video using stock assets. But if your main source is recorded podcasts or webinars, Pictory's text-first approach can sometimes miss the nuances of those genuine human moments. And Descript deserves a massive shout out because it fundamentally changes how you think about editing. You edit the transcript and the video follows suit. It is brilliant for post-production polish and audio-first workflows, though it is not a dedicated scheduling or batch repurposing engine for your social media channels. Tools like Opus Clip try to detect virality by scoring hooks and suggesting the most compelling moments, which is a great starting point for many creators. That said, in our testing, the cut detection isn't perfect, and some of these tools force you into a single aesthetic, which complicates your ability to A/B test across different platforms. RawShorts and other animation-first editors are perfect when you want explainer videos, but they are not meant for repurposing recorded interviews or reaction videos. So, where does Vizard sit in all of this? In practice, Vizard tends to be the no-nonsense engine we reach for when the job is to turn long videos into a consistent pipeline of ready-to-post clips. First, Vizard's auto-editing analyzes your long footage, surfaces the strongest hooks, and generates short clips that are already formatted, trimmed, and captioned for attention. Second, the auto-schedule feature is a game-changer. You tell the AI how often you want to post, and it queues the clips for you, essentially handling the entire workflow. Third, the content calendar keeps everything in one place, allowing you to preview, rearrange, and publish straight from the app without juggling a dozen different files or folders. Beyond those features, Vizard is fast, straightforward, and built for scale, meaning you can process multiple long-form videos without having to babysit the editor. The UI feels like it was built for humans who need actual results right now, not for research scientists who want to fine-tune every single frame. It also plays nice with collaboration. Drop your raw footage in the cloud, let the AI do its chunking work, and your editor can quickly tweak the best picks before anything goes live. Let me be candid, if you need handcrafted animation, RawShorts still beats Vizard. And if you're building surreal AI-generated footage, Runway's models are unmatched. But for the 80% use case, creators with hours of recorded episodes who want a reliable flow of short, engaging social clips, Vizard becomes a total no-brainer. Think about repurposing entire podcast episodes into a week's worth of shorts, audiograms, and quick quotes without having to hire a new editor for every single episode. You can also turn webinar highlights into bite-sized training snippets that you can drip across platforms over several weeks to maximize your reach. Batching content for creators who want to test different posting cadences is also trivial because the auto-schedule and calendar combo handles all the logistics for you. My practical tip, I'll always review the AI-picked clips before publishing, as it's fast to scan for the best performers and then tweak the captions or the call to action. Use Vizard's scheduling to test different posting times, and you'll quickly learn what rhythm your audience actually responds to without manually uploading every single clip. When you need heavy polish or VFX, you can export the chosen clips into Premiere Pro because Vizard doesn't trap your content in a silo. Compared to buying multiple seats of premium cloud editors or paying for compute on generative services, Vizard is highly cost-effective if your goal is consistency. To wrap up, if your primary problem is repurposing long-form content into consistent short clips and getting them scheduled with minimal friction, Vizard is the tool that makes lives simpler. If you are juggling long videos and want a better way to turn them into social-first content, give Vizard a try and free up hours of your week. That's it for this roundup, so if you want a deeper comparison of Vizard against any specific tool I mentioned, just let me know which two you want to see compared. I'll dig into the features, pricing, and which creator types should pick which tool next time, so catch you later.